Hello everyone, welcome to EngVlog, and today in this lesson we are going to talk about a very common mistake that sometimes learners all over the world make. Well, that is floor. So when they think that which preposition we should use to talk about a particular level of a building where something is, they get confused. Is it at, is it in, or is it on? So you can see that these are the phrases they try to use in the floor, at the floor, or on the floor. So if you want to talk about the particular level of a building where something is, you should use in the floor. No, wrong. You shouldn't use in the floor. It should be at the floor. Right? No, it isn't either. You should use on the floor. So on is the correct preposition to be used in that kind of sentence. So the example, you can see that there is a blank space. The office is the 12th floor. So I should use in, at, or on. Obviously on. It's really one of the common mistakes some learners all over the world make. So I think you have understood the lesson and you're not going to make the same mistake again in your life. Well, if you like the video, just hit the thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get many more exciting and fantastic lessons. Until then, bye-bye. You can also check out the same video in Bengali at www.youtube.com/EngVlogbangla. EngVlog Bangla.